Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create a luxury gold gradient in Photoshop. Start by choosing rich gold tones in gradient editor, then drag the gradient diagonally for a dynamic lighting. Add inner glow using another golden gradient. Insert darker gold shadows for depth. Also apply a metallic reflection gradient on top. Now add a soft radial highlights and then increase contrast for luxury shine. Add noise for metallic textures. Use overlay mode to blend tones. Now insert a white streak gradient for sparkle. Lower opacity for realism. Add shadows under elements for dimensions. Refine gradient strokes for smoother flow. Also apply